Drivers Unite. I have over 23,000 trips with Uber and Lyft. We do support the commuter vans. We want to see them on the road. I support Leroy Morrison and his efforts to get them on the road. We want lower insurance. I just spoke with the commissioner before he left. Excuse me, I'm trouble with my voice today. I spoke with the commissioner today before he left, David Dunn, and there is a solution. We support the bill. I think anything that helps the drivers from being deactivated is excellent, but there's something bigger. You heard the expression, go hard or go home. There is something bigger. We spoke to the commissioner, and just for the record, my Uber account is not deactivated. I have over 11,000 trips with Uber, and I personally asked the commissioner to revoke Uber's license, deactivate Uber from New York City. That's what we asked for. We want Uber removed. They're exploiting people of color. They're exploiting worker rights and many other things that they're doing. We also asked, and we want this message to get to Apple. Apple can do something. Apple can step in and remove Uber from the App Store. That'll work. Remove Uber from the App Store. And finally, we want this message to get to our new president that's going to come in 40 days, Donald J. Trump. We ask you, Mr. Trump, to stop the abuse of Uber. Remove Uber from New York City. We know you care about the New York taxi driver. We are not Uber drivers. We are not Lyft drivers. We are New York City taxi and limousine commission drivers. And we're being exploited. And we ask you, Mr. Trump, remove Uber.
Thank you. Thank you to the panel. Next, we call us Tanzan Buti.
Remove Uber. Get them out. Stop the exploitation of people of color and New Yorkers.
Sarah Lamu Serva. Zubin Salvani.
Trump 2020.